Welcome back. So if you're like me, you either love wings or you hate wings. Now me, I'm a person who kind of hate wings only because you have to drill holes in your trunk. Now me, I don't like drilling holes in this trunk. This is a very beautiful trunk. It is. The ultrasonic blue mica is very nice. Now I don't want to drill holes in it, but I want to try a wing. How do you try a wing without putting holes in it? Well, luckily there is a specific wing that does fit the Lexus RCs that would work. Their wings clamp onto the rear trunk of the car, basically on the outside here. Now, all they do is clamp on with two individual clamps and then you mount the wing on top of it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you where to get it, and I'm gonna show you how to buy it for a great price. Keep on watching. Stay to the end. We're giving away a free spoiler at the end of this, so keep on watching. So there are two clamps that would mount on the side of the trunk right here, and the other one on the side right there. So those are the two mounting points for the trunk, and we're gonna put this wing together and show you guys how it looks. So this is my surfboard, aka my wing. It is a carbon fiber wing, as you can see, and it is pretty inexpensive, I'll say that. Very easy to put on. I'm about to show you guys how to do so, but as you can see, the carbon fiber detail in it is very light. You know, it's two fingers. And also shout out to Max. Max sent me his carbon fiber wing. He got another one. As you know, Max changes his car all the time. That's going to be in a sneak preview of another video in the future of what he's done to it. And yeah, let's get this installed. Since I don't have an extra workbench available at the moment, we are going to use the trunk to set this up. So I did put a large microfiber towel on so nothing scratches the paint. What you get from the vendor is these two clamps. As you can see, they are side mounted. So what you would do is screw those in, clamp it to the side of the trunk, and mount this part onto the wing right there. So we're gonna do that. The link for this actual wing is in the bio. Also opened up the Define Garage shop, so anything that you've seen on the YouTube channel, will see on the YouTube channel, has been on the YouTube channel, is going to be linked in the description and on that website, so you can buy it at a great price. Everything you've seen in the video is on here. So what we're going to do now is bolt these on, but like I said, everything that comes with it is this L bracket, the wing itself, these two mounting brackets that you may or may not have to assemble. I don't believe so, but if there is, there's just two hex screws here that would mount on to the leg. Then it would connect to the base right here, and then you would screw on your bracket mounts right here. All right, so these are the two different clamps that are going to attach to the outside of the bumper. So one's going to attach here and the other is going to attach on that side. So basically what it'll do is you'll put it on here like this on the outside of your trunk lid, not bumper, your trunk lid. And what you're going to do, these brackets inside, you're going to screw these in and they're going to create pressure on the outside of the lip and hold it into place. So once that's in the place, we can put it on both sides. It's easy to do, but that's the first step of doing it, because you want to have this done first, then the opposite side, and then from there you mount the wing on top of these two mounting points. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so now the bracket is on. I finally have it on. So there are these three different screws that come inside of another pressure bracket. Now, a good thing for us, this has padding on the top side and underneath, so that when you screw it in together, basically with a regular, what size is this? 2.5 hex head. So what you want to do is get it as close to the stock lip as possible. That way there's more room based on how wide the wing is to fully mount it. But as you can see, it's very simple to mount. Just make sure you hold it while you're screwing in the pressure screws that hold it in place. So we got it done on both sides right now, nice and sturdy. And we're gonna close the trunk.
A great success!
Alright, now that is the mounting bracket for how it sits. So now these two screws, they'll line up. As you can see, it's upside down right now, but it'll line up here and fold over there for both sides. So you're going to put it on the inside of the bracket, not the outside. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could, but for example purposes, we're going to leave it on the inside of the bracket. That way there aren't any issues. So I'm gonna get that mounted up and show you guys how it looks. Now the back one is adjustable, so you could get whatever angle you want on it. But for me, I haven't decided yet. You know, extreme downforce. You also want to make sure that you're using a 10mm deep socket for this and an L key, so that way when you screw it on, it is able to go without a problem. All right, so now we're doing the other side, the driver's side. Like I said, these installs are pretty easy. And if you like my install content as well as my other RC content, you know, feel free to subscribe. We just hit 500 subscribers, so I really appreciate it when you guys subscribe, because it helps grow the channel and helps me figure out what you guys actually like. So, especially about the car RC content. So the more you guys subscribe and like, the more RC content I make, and then that'll grow the channel for other builds and other projects as well. So it's time to ask you guys a question. Should I have maximum downforce, or should I just leave it regular, whatever the levels are, where it's flat, you know? So should I have it tilted like this, or should I just leave it flat? Tilted up or flat? Well, I don't want it to act like an air dam by tilting it all the way up, so I'll just leave it flat for now and then see what you guys think in the comments. All right, so it is installed. Now, this is fairly simple to do, just me by myself, and basically 30 minutes of time to get done, probably less than that based on how long it takes to make this video, but it looks good. So 10mm screws with a L key that will be sent with it, the 4 screws that mount to the wing itself, the bracket, post, and like I said, the best way to do it is to mount these first, then put them as close to the stock wing as possible. That way it'll be able to sit flush and even on both sides, so you don't really have to measure it. And once it's in, do that there. Now, like I said, these back 2 screws, you loosen those and a little bit of the front. You can make them adjustable for the wing angle. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it flush unless you guys want to see it done differently, but that is how I'm leaving it. So that's how it looks. All right, so this is the final product. The wing looks good. It flows with the rest of the pieces of carbon fiber on the car, and I'm happy with it. So like I said, if you're a person who's not into bolting down your wing by drilling holes into your trunk, then I think this is the best option. Also, if you stayed this far into the video, we are going to give away one of these wings. So if you like, share, and subscribe to the video, share it with a few friends. Also, what we want to do is try to get this video up to 100 likes. So if you could get this video up to 100 likes, I'm giving away a brand new one of these wings. So the giveaway ends, I'll say January 15th. If you guys get up to 100 likes by January 15th, I am giving away a wing to one of you. But you have to be subscribed, you have to like the video, and you have to comment your favorite video in all of my RC videos or on the channel. So comment down below, like the video, and guys, so we can kick this off, get this video up to 100 likes. And again, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.